Hello, me again. Welcome back to the channel. Today you join me back in the 335i. A few of you have been messaging me saying, when's the E92 coming back? Well, here we are, and not just a quick video in it. Well, this is, but the next few videos are going to be a bit more involved. We're doing a little bit of maintenance coming up, and also some tuning. You'll be happy, pleased to know, all that sort of thing. So basically the goal of today's video is, for some of you who are wondering about this MHD thing, there's loads of stuff all over YouTube about it and stuff like that, so I'll just summarise quickly. But this car is running stage 1, MHD stage 1, like off the shelf map thing, which is basically you plug it in, you zap your car, like you upload the map, and it's remapped, job done. But you can also do a stage 1 plus, which is you need a front mount intercooler for it. So you whop that on, you take your old one off, whop the new one on. That keeps your intake temperatures down a bit, so you can run a bit more boost. There's also stage 2, where you need a bit more flow through the exhaust, so you whip your catted downpipes, take them off, and put on your decatted downpipes. It's not the easiest job in the world to do for the novice mechanic amongst you, but it's doable on the drive. It's a pain. The front mount intercooler is really easy. Just you drop the belly pan thing off and put the new intercooler on, basically, job done. Stage 2, decat downpipes, it's a little bit more involved. You might be just easier to get in a garage, or if you have a lift or something like that, it's a lot easier then, but on your driveway it's a bit of a pain. But anyway, there's also stage 2 plus. Now that is a combination of the two. So you need a front mount intercooler and you need decatted downpipes, and then you can, that's like as far as you can go really with MHD off the shelf maps. So I mean, you can do like E85 maps and E60 maps and different versions of the different maps, like version 7 of like stage 1 is different to version 8. There's like different tweaks, timing, boost, that sort of things when it comes on. So there's a few variations, but I don't even know what I'm running on mine, to be fair. I think it's version 8, I think, which was like the newest one that wasn't in beta, so I just put that on. But I think the lower the number, like the older the version, the more aggressive it is, but then you might compromise a bit of reliability with that, so I've just gone for the newest one, because why not. But anyway, the point of this video is, coming soon will be a nice front mount intercooler. So we're gonna get that ordered, and we're gonna put that on. I'll do like a little DIY video thing of how to do it. Like I said earlier, it's really easy, or should be, touch wood. Always get a wood grain effect car, because when you need to say touch wood, you've got wood there. It's the little things in life. So that'll be here soon. We'll whip that on. Why do I keep saying whip? Whip that on. We'll put that on. We'll put that on the car, and then we'll reflash the car. So get it all up to speed, ready, and then we'll do like a little comparison video as well. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, there's a little thing down there. Hit that. There's a bell there if you want to be notified when I upload. It just pings up on your phone. Hit that if you do. Don't hit it if you don't. Give us a thumbs up, or you know, all the good stuff. Helps the channel out massively. And also, thank you to the 320, I think, subscribers I've got. How's that happened? I was literally mucking about with the camera. I get a lot of time off at my job. I do like all my hours like in a short space of time. So we get a bit of time off, like 10 days here, 2 weeks there, whatever. So I do get a bit bored, so I like to make these little videos. But yeah, I started off by putting a few little drone videos with my drone, then I changed the pads on here. So yeah, now here we are. I'm talking to a GoPro, sat in traffic. Weird. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.